If you are looking for a natural way to relieve constipation, we have you covered. Here are 5 proven natural remedies you can try at home, and the good thing is, they actually work. The first one on the list is Psyllium Husk. The American College of Gastroenterology endorses the use of Psyllium Husk for constipation. Psyllium has been shown to increase the number of spontaneous bowel movements per week. 1. You could start with it. Another one is prune juice. These are natural laxatives packed with fiber and sorbitol. A handful of prunes a day can do wonders. Senna is an herbal compound that stimulates the colon for fast relief. It is effective, but some people experience abdominal cramps and discomfort with Senna. Not everyone has those symptoms, so try it out. Aloe vera has been traditionally used as a natural laxative for treating constipation. Its components, such as aloin A, B, and aloemidin, can modulate intestinal motility, working like a laxative. Rhubarb is a vegetable that is commonly used in pies. But this tart veggie isn't just for pies. Its stalk contains a natural laxative compound that stimulates the intestine for motility and alters the water transport in your colon. Try any of these natural home remedies and see if it works. Let us know in the comments what worked for you.